Hello students, welcome to my class. Today I am going to take your math subject. In that we are going to see lesson number 4, shapes. You all know what is shapes, right? Circle, square, triangle, rectangle, these are all shapes. Yes? Before starting to our lesson, they have given us little warm up. How many of each shape can you find? Write the number in the clouds, also color the figures. Okay? Now, see here, first is triangle. How many triangles are there? You have to count first. How many triangles are there? See 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Okay. Yes. How many squares are there? You can count 1, 2 and 3. Only 3 squares are there. Okay. Similarly, you have to count the circles and rectangles. Okay. And you have to color also. You have to color this. Okay, now we are going to see in this lesson curved lines and straight lines. What we are going to see? Curved lines and straight lines, horizontal, vertical and slanting lines, plane shapes, solid shapes, rolling and sliding, tracing flat shapes from solid shapes. Now see here, my way ahead. Fabian is fishing. See, you can see here Fabian is fishing, right? Can you spot the difference between the objects colored in blue? Colored in blue. Yes, what is the difference between the objects and those colored in pink? See, all are lines, right? You can see all are shapes. This is circle shapes, but in this here curved lines are there, right? Here you can see curved lines, straight lines, slanting line, right? You can see here, you can see this mat. This mat is of rectangle shape. This is also rectangle shape. This is square shape, right? This is rectangle shape. Yes. Now, first what we are going to see? Curved lines and straight lines. Manjeet, Fabian, Azhar and Revati love to play with skipping rope. See this, Revati, Azhar, Manjeet and Fabian. They love to play with the skipping rope. This is skipping rope. Revati and Azhar are holding the skipping rope tightly. This makes a straight line. See, this is straight lines. Yes. Manjeet and Fabian are holding the rope loosely. This makes a curved line. This is curved line. We call it curved line. This is straight line. This is curved line. Okay. Now, look at this picture made by Azhar. He has used curved and straight lines to draw this picture. This is Azhar's picture. He has used curved lines and straight lines. See, for drawing clouds, he has used curved lines, right? And for drawing a boat, he has used straight lines. Okay. Straight lines are of 3 types. How many types are there of straight lines? Horizontal, vertical and slanting lines. Now, this is Bunty's house. It is made up of 3 types of straight lines. See here, this is called slanting line. Okay. This is called slanting line. This is called slanting line. This is called sleeping line. And this is called standing line. Okay. Now I'll show you on this page. See, first is slanting line. I'll show you what is slanting line. Or oblique line. We can say it oblique line. This is called slanting line. Okay. This is slanting line. Now, what is standing line? Standing line or vertical line. We call it vertical also. Vertical line is like this. This is vertical line, or you can say standing line. And what is sleeping line? Or horizontal line. Is like this. Okay. This is slanting line, this is standing line or vertical line we can say, and this is sleeping line or horizontal line. Okay. You can see here also. See, this is slanting line. They had showed you by the arrow. This is sleeping line and this is standing line or vertical line. Now see students, my practice time 1. tick the pictures with straight lines and cross out the pictures with the curved line. If they have straight line, we have to tick, and if they are having curved lines, we have to give a cross. So this is straight line, yes, so we are going to put tick. Curved line means we are going to put cross. Again straight lines, we are going to put tick. Okay, similarly these three you are going to do it. Okay students, second one is count and write the number of lines. Horizontal lines means sleeping lines. First is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Okay, so we are going to write here 6. How many slanting lines? Only one is slanting line. And how many standing lines? 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Okay, now we are going to see plane shapes. Look at the given plane shapes. Plane shapes have corners and sides. A plane shape is made up of straight and curved lines. The straight lines are known as sides. Sides are also known as edges. Sides are also known as edges. The point where the two sides meet, like this and this point. The point where two sides meet is known as corner. You can see here corner, and these are sides, or you can say edges also. Count the number of sides and corners of the given triangle. See how many corners are there? 1 corner, 2 corners, 3 corners. And how many sides are there? 1, 2, 3. There are 3 sides and 3 corners of this triangle. Now, Minty the mouse is here. Complete the names of all the shapes that you see in the table. Also count the number of sides and corners. Now, see here which is the shape. This is triangle. So, we will write the name triangle, triangle, and sides 3 and corner also 3. 1, 2, 3 sides and corner 1, 2, 3. Now square, SQUARE, square. Okay, how many sides are there? 1, 2, 3, 4 sides. And how many corners are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 sides and 4 corners. Okay students. Now see here circle, CIRCLE, circle. See circle is having any side or corner? No. So 0 sides and 0 circles. Similarly these two you are going to solve. Now mental maths. How many squares are there in the given figure? In this figure, how many squares are there? See 1, 2, 3, 4 and this one 5. So there are 5 squares. Okay. There are 5 squares. Now, when you draw 3 rows of 4 boxes each, what shape will you get? When you draw 3 rows, like this is 1 row, this is 2 row. If you will draw one more row here, 3 rows of 4 boxes. Okay, this is 1 row, this is 2 row, and again you will draw here and 4 boxes each. I will show you on the paper. Okay, students. Now see here. I will write the question. This is mental maths. Now, first we will write the question. B1 is there. When you draw 3 rows of 4 boxes each, what shape will you get? Now we have to find out which shape we are going to get. Now suppose we will draw 3 rows. Okay, so this is 1 row, this is 2 row, and this is 3rd row. Okay students, 3 rows and how many boxes? 4 boxes. So 1 box, 2 box, 3 box, and this is 4 box. Okay student. So which shape you got? We got rectangle. We got rectangle shape. Okay. So we are going to write here rectangle. Okay. Similarly these two you are going to solve in your notebook. Now what are solid shapes? We have learnt about plane shapes. Now solid shape. Shapes can be either plane or solid. A plane shape has only sides. A solid shape has face, edge and vertex. Now here they were having only sides and corners, but in the solid shape they have face, edge and vertex. Now see, we are going to learn about it. Here are some common solid shapes. See, cube, cuboid, cylinder, cone and sphere. Cube, cuboid, cylinder, cone and sphere. Now faces, edges and vertices, what are that? A plane surface of the solid object is called its face. Now see, plane surface means which is plane, we called it face. Okay, the line where two faces meet is an edge. When the lines where two faces meet is called edge. This is edge, means from here also this line is meeting and from here also this line is meeting, means this is edge. And the point where the edges meet is called vertex. These points, all these points are vertex. This point is also vertex. Vertex is none other than it's a corner. Okay, we can call them corners also, but we have to say it vertex. This is the face, the plane surface, yes, is called face, and where the two lines, where the line where two faces meets, means from here also and here also. Okay, this is called edge, and where the point where the edges meet is called vertex. Thus, the cuboid has 6 flat faces. How 6? See, this is 1, 2, here backside 3, here 4, okay, here 5 and under that 6. And 12 edges. 12 edges means this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and they're down 12. And 8 vertices. 8 vertices means 8 corners. 1, 2, down there 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Like this also there is there. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 vertices. Now, let us understand these solid shapes in detail. Now see these objects. It's ice cream and you can see your cap. Solid shape is cone. You can say cone here. Okay, cone shape. Number of faces, edges and vertices. See, this is having one flat face. This is one flat face, one curved face, one edge and one vertex. Only one vertex. Okay. Now see here, pen and candle. This is what? Cylinder. The shape of the pen and candle is cylinder. 2 flat faces, means this is 1 and this is 2. 1 curved face, 2 edges and 0 vertices. They are not having any corners, or you can say vertices. Okay. Then this is what? Cuboid. This is cuboid. 6 flat faces. 6 flat faces means, see, this is 1. Yes, this is 2. This is 3. Yes, upper. There down is 2, 3, 4, 5 and here back 6. So 6 flat faces, 12 edges and 8 vertices. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 vertices. Okay. And 12 edges. You can say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12. Okay. Now see here, dice and ice. This is cube, right? This is cube. 6 flat faces. See, this is 1, behind is 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. And edges are 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12. And 8 vertices. How many vertices are there? 8 vertices. Ball and laddu. 1 curved face, no edge and no vertex. Here there is no edge and no vertex. This is sphere. Okay, this is sphere. Now match the following. This is cylinder. So where it is? We have to match to this cylinder. Then see this. This is cuboid. So we have to match this. This is cone, cone shape. Ice is cube, ice shape is cube, so we have to match it. Globe shape is sphere, so we have to match the sphere shape. Okay students, now fill in the blanks. I am a plane shape, I have 3 corners and 3 sides. Which shape is having 3 corners and 3 sides? Who am I? Triangle. I am a plane shape, I have 4 sides and 4 corners. All my sides are equal. Who am I? I am square. Okay, similarly, you are going to solve remaining questions. Now, we are going to see rolling and sliding. Now, what is rolling and sliding? The sledge is sliding. Yes, you all have sat on the slide. Yes, when you go to park, you all love to slide. Similarly, this sledge is sliding and rolling. The ball is rolling. Ball is rolling. When the ball rolls, we call them rolling. Depending upon the shape of the object, some objects roll and some slide. Yes, while some can both roll and slide. See, whatever the object is, suppose I will take this scale. Is this scale will roll or slide? This will slide. Okay, this cannot roll. This is roll. This will not roll. This will slide. But some of the object they can roll also and they can slide also. Try pushing a ball on the floor or on a table. Will it roll, slide or both roll and slide? Yes, it will roll, right? It will not slide, it will roll. Now, try pushing your pencil box on the floor or table. Will it roll, slide or both roll and slide? What will do? See, it's rolling or sliding. It's try pushing your pencils like I am pushing this. Suppose I am pushing this. So, this is rolling, right? But what they have said, try pushing your pencil box. Will pencil box roll like this? No, it will slide. Now, try pushing a birthday cap on the floor or table. Will it roll, slide? Both roll and slide? The birthday cap can roll and slide, both roll and slide. Okay. Now, tracing out flat shapes from solid shapes. We can make plane shapes from solid shapes. Collect some solid objects like a dice, pencil box, etc. Put them on a paper and trace. Okay. Now, suppose they have said you have to take one paper and you have to draw a shape. Now, suppose I will trace. Now, suppose this is instead of pencil box, I have taken a crayon box. Okay. So, I will trace. From that, which shape I will get, we'll see. Okay. So, I had kept this crayon box. I will draw one shape. We'll see which shape we can get. Yes, which shape we got? We got a rectangle. We got a rectangle. Yes, this is rectangle shape. So, a cuboid pencil box can be traced to get a rectangle. So, this was also a cuboid. Yes, this one is also a cuboid, right? So, a cube dice can be traced to make a square. You can see here, this boy is tracing a dice to get square. From tracing a dice, we can get square. Similarly, you can trace other solid shapes to get the plane shape. From the solid shape, we can get plane shapes also. Now, my practice time 3. Roll or slide. Push a pencil box on the floor. Does it roll or slide? Slide, right? Pencil box always slide. Then push a bottle on the floor. Does it roll or slide? Both. They can both roll also and slide also. These two similarly you will do. Then see, match the objects. with the circle they belong to. One has been done for you. Now see here, this cap is both. Why both? Because it can slide also and it can roll also. Okay. Now this tin, it can also roll and slide, both. Okay. Then this bulb can roll. Okay. Book can slide. Similarly, remaining objects you are going to match, whether it will roll or whether it will both roll or slide. Now trace out the base of these solids shapes in your notebook. Also write down the name of the plane shapes you traced. Now what you have to do, you have to trace these solid shapes. When you will trace this cap, which shape you will get? You will get circle, right? See, if you will trace this portion, you will get circle. Here also, for this tin, you will trace this one, or you will trace this also, you will get the shape circle. When you will trace the eraser in your notebook, you will get rectangle shape. Okay. When you will trace ball, which shape you will get? Circle. And when you will trace this box, which shape you will get? Rectangle. So this you have to do it in your notebook. Now in this lesson, what we have learned? Lines. In lines, curved lines, straight lines. Yes. And in straight lines, three types of lines are there: horizontal or sweeping lines, vertical lines and slanting lines. And lines are used to make shapes, right? Plane shapes and solid shapes. In plane shapes are square, circle, rectangle, triangle and oval. These are plane shapes. What are solid shapes? Cube, cuboid, cone, cylinder, sphere. And lines. And in this lesson we had learned about the object that can roll and that can slide. Okay students, I hope you all have understood the lesson. So we are going to meet in the next lecture. Okay, bye everyone. Take care. Thank you.